You were charged with having a contraband in a correctional facility. You were facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
On February 21st, 2024, officers were dispatched to a drug possession call at YMCA in Harris County, Texas.
Why
I'm sorry, YMAC.
It's okay.
It looked like YMCA, sorry.
Young men about change.
Stop, close. At YMAC in Harris County, Texas.
I remember this case. Yeah, I remember where she actually works at the facility and people were texting her to get vapes, right? Pens or something.
And that's what the director said. Again, he's also said
Like 40 or 50 bucks a pop they were calling her for vape.
I'm just reading the allegations. I'm just reading. So we finished.
I mean, what was the amount the alleged amount that she made?
A payment of $70 to the defendant for the vape pens was a total. Products inmate strictly prohibited in the facility. Inmate at YMAC stated that she purchased 2 nicotine vape pens from the defendant, and inmate's girlfriend provided a cash out payment of $70 to the defendant for the vape pens. Mr. Clark kept 2 nicotine vape pens and gave the remaining 5 vape pens to another inmate. Mr. Brown provided a photograph of the defendant's cash app transaction dated February 12th at 8:31 p.m. under the username of Tiandria, and the amount of $70. The inmate ID defended and provided a photo of the cash app transaction.
So the inmate actually snitched, so to speak. Okay.
I think the inmate got caught with him and fingered the defendant.
Obviously, this is YMAC. They're still all over the place. So I'd like to see if there's any.
Yeah, look, I see any prior criminal history, right?
There's an allegation of admission, but there's no recording or anything of that.
Oh, yeah, we'll get there, right?
Yes,
so, ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. So, what was your employment status? You're not an officer. You were just employed at YMAC.
So it's a residential treatment.
I don't want to talk about the case. I only want to know what
was your position?
Direct care monitor.
Okay.
Like a correctional, because it's a treatment facility, we're not called correctional officers.
Okay, so I imagine that you don't know work there, right?
I work for TDC.
So
That's what I'm telling you.
I'm barring you from working at any treatment facility. So you're laughing. This is not a funny.
I'm not laughing.
You are laughing, and it's not a funny.
I'm not.
She's not, as a correctional officer, she's not in a position where she's involved with any type of treatment, drug treatment, any type of treatment. This is strictly correctional. I know judges, it's their employment. So.
It really concerns me that we have this type of case where they're alleging that you're providing contraband to inmates, yet you're still employed in the capacity of handling inmates. That flies against everything about what these charges are. No. So I don't think that you should be in a position to handle any inmates. That's just elementary.
If it makes any difference, Your Honor, the allegations stem from her employment with YMAC. She's not working with minors. She's working with adults.
Even more
and
dangerous.
The allegation is nicotine vapes as opposed to any type of controlled substances or anything like that. There's no allegation of marijuana or anything.
It's an allegation. That place is crazy. That drug is crazy.
Val, I'm going to have to get to you back on. So I've got a humongous line of people. So let's put this PC hearing on hold. Do you have anywhere else to go to? Anything else to do? Or is this it? Man, just take a seat for me in the jury box.